you have 3 ways to purchase tickets before you use the Edinburgh trams, and this applies to the buses as well, because the buses, Lothian buses and Edinburgh trams are the same company. So the first way we're going to look at is downloading the M-Ticket app. Yes, go into your Play Store or your Apple Store and download the M-Ticket app. Now, when you download the app, you'll go into it and it'll say buy tickets. You've got options for Lothian buses, Edinburgh trams, Airlink, East Coast buses, Lothian country. Now, it's simple and easy to use. If you want to use the Edinburgh trams, you just click on it and it gives you the options, the tickets that you need. You've got adult day ticket, single ticket, you've got family day ticket, you've got the adult late ticket, you've got the network day for £12, and all you do is choose what ticket you want and then show it to the driver or show it to the guy on the Edinburgh trams. Now, if you need to purchase a ticket for the airport, that is a completely separate ticket. Yes, they charge more for going to the airport, and it is one way or return, and you can't use it. It's not like a day saver, you can go back and forward every single day. It's an adult zone return, and basically you can go from the airport and back once, and this way, when it is more expensive, it's £9.50 return, and it's £7.50 if you're using the airport. But the trams are a great way to travel to and from the airport from the city centre of Edinburgh. There is another way to purchase your tickets, and that is if you're using the Lothian buses. Now, the buses are linked to the Edinburgh trams because they're the same company. So if you purchase an adult day ticket only, it doesn't work on single tickets, you will be able to use the Edinburgh trams and the buses all day. But if you travel after 6 p.m, it is 50p cheaper at £4.50, and you can travel the same way, buses and trams, all the way up to the time they finish, and you have night time as well. That £4.50 lets you on night buses as well. So you're saving 50p if you're going out at night time after 6 o'clock. If you're staying outside Edinburgh and you travel in by bus, then that ticket there, £4.50, will basically get you on trams and buses, and you can return at night time, 2 o'clock in the morning, 3 o'clock in the morning, for the night buses to take you back close or at your hotel, or you can just get a taxi, but it's completely up to you guys. One of my favourite ways to purchase a ticket here in Edinburgh, which is the easiest way if you don't want to download any apps or anything like that, is come to the platform itself, the one you're about to use before you jump on the tram, because you don't want to get that fine, and purchase your ticket from the machines there. It's simple, easy to use. I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide how to use the machines just now. Now, we're at the ticket machine here in St Andrew's Square. There's St Andrew's Square just there. This is the tram stop. There's a tram just coming just now. If you want to purchase your ticket before you enter the trams, or if you want to use the bus and trams, just click here, tram and bus ticket. Simple, easy to use. You can select your language also if you're from France or Spain. Simple and easy. Day ticket £5, child ticket £2.50. Simple, easy to use. You can get a family day ticket also. But if you don't want an adult day ticket, go to tram single and you just click your destination. It doesn't really matter, it's all £2, or child ticket or adult day return. So you can basically go from one direction then back again, and that's the same price, £3.80. But for that extra £1.20, just get yourself an adult day ticket and you can use it again instead of just doing the return. Remember, airport is £7.50. Now, you can only go as far as Goulburn, £2, and then if you want to go to the airport, it's £7.50. Airport single or open return is £9.50. But the machine is simple, easy to use. Once you've selected your destination, just click on it. You want one ticket, click confirm, and then pay here. You just tap your card just here, or you enter your number just here, and then your ticket will come out just here, and then you're all set. You've got your ticket and you can travel on the Edinburgh trams. Simple, easy to use. There is one more way to purchase your ticket here in Edinburgh, and that is use Contactless. Yeah, it's a great way to pay. You can use it on the buses, Lothian buses, you can use it at the Edinburgh tram stops. You can't use it on the trams itself, and you're going to get capped at the highest rate. So if you use it 3 or 4 times a day, you'll get capped at that rate. So obviously the price of a day saver, which is £5, and then if you use it once, you're only going to get a single ticket price added onto your account. So it's a great way to travel around the city without the hassle of any cards or money and stuff like that. So yeah, just use your phone.